What have we got here? I've just received this in the post. It's a note as well as a box, and it says lights, camera, glow. You've managed to get your hands on a limited edition YouTube Neon. A special thank you from your friends at YouTube for brightening the world with your creativity. We'd love to see your new sign in action. Tag us at YouTube hashtag YouTube high five so we can check it out. Now it came with the box, and this is the box here, and we are going to be unboxing this very shortly. But before that, let's go and see why I got this. Now, as you see here, this is from the 9th of May. This is an email that I received from YouTube, and it says you've earned some rewards, Ross Roams. It's been 463 days since you first joined the YouTube Partner Program. Here's a well-earned high five to celebrate all your hard work on YouTube. Over the next few months, we're going to send some little treats as a thank you for your efforts. Keep an eye on your inbox and YouTube Studio messages. Treat yourself. As a valued YouTube partner, you're eligible for some partner perks. To get all the good stuff, sign up at the Rewards Hub now. So I went along and I did this. I signed up at the Reward Hub with my unique code. Don't try that code, it's already gone. This is where you'll get your goodies through the program. We'd love to see you enjoying your partner perks. Tag your shorts with YouTube high five, hashtag YouTube high five, so we can check them out. Here's our favorite from last year. Now you can grab a snack, sausage roll from Greg's, which I already had. I've had that sausage roll, and you can get your swag. Snag yourself a limited edition YouTube neon light while stocks last. Now this is what we're going to be looking at today with the unboxing, and finally meet the creators, win a spot at the creator meetup to sharpen your skills. So I haven't got anything from there yet. Speak soon, friends at YouTube. PS, just to let you know, we're sending these hi-fi emails to small group of creators, and you're in the club. Make sure you make your claims by 7th of June 2024. Now, this was followed up by this email here, which is also on the same day. Thank you for your claim. Your claim has been received. We'll aim to ship your order in the week of 17th June, but please allow time to the end of June. Now, here's the key. Only 1,000 available. So this is limited edition. Items will be on a first come, first served basis, claimed by this date here, 7th of June, or until while stocks last. So I got mine this week, a couple of days ago, actually, or yesterday, in fact. Only delivered to an address in the UK, etc., etc. So this is how we got the light. So let's get down to the unboxing now. So let's get over to the unboxing now, and this is it here. We can see the LED neon sign, YouTube in the middle, UK plug there. What else have we got here? Some of the safety certificate numbers, and made in China. What else have we got here? This is the model number and the input voltage, power consumption, etc. And let's open up, and we're presented with this. Now this is the product specifications, neon sign, PL neon LED, dimensions, input, power consumption, etc., working temperature. Right, put that over there. Now we have this here, which is the power button, is located there. Some more signage, nothing much there, and here it is here. This is the neon light. That's what it looks like. Let's put that over there. Take this out, take that out. You have the stand here and the power source. So that there, and let's just pop that out, and that just fits in there. So we'll put those together and see what it looks like. So this is the neon light, how it looks like with the lights on. We'll just put the lights off and check it out in the dark. Let's turn this thing on and see what it looks like. Just touch. There it is. There's the neon YouTube light. A lot of glare from that. On the side. YouTube neon light.